What does it take to halt an entire state? In Punjab, it's the unyielding spirit of its farmers. A statewide bandh has gripped the region, driven by demands that could reshape the future of Indian agriculture. But what are the demands? Farmers in Punjab have called for a complete shutdown, backing Jagjit Singh Dalewal, who's been on a hunger strike for over a month. Dalewal, representing the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha and Sanyukt Kisan Morcha non-political, demands urgent action on a list of 12 grievances. Jagjit Singh is undergoing a medical checkup as his hunger strike continues. Retired ADGP Jaskaran Singh and other farmer union leaders remain stationed in a trolley. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court appointed committee led by retired Justice Nawab Singh has invited the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha for talks on January 3rd. This marks the committee's first meeting with SKM. Previously, it had one meeting with KMM and SKMNP, though both forums declined a second meeting set for December 18th in Panchkula. The upcoming talks will focus on MSP guarantees. Confirming the acceptance of the invite, Ramdir Singh Patiala, a member of the SKM's National Coordination Committee, told the Indian Express that SKM is prepared to participate. The farmers' protest started on February 13th at Shambhu and Kanori borders, but with tragic death of 22-year-old Shubkaran Singh on February 23rd, the movement gained new urgency. Let's break down the farmers' demands. A legal guarantee for minimum support price MSP for all crops based on Dr. Swaminathan's recommendations. A complete death waiver for farmers and laborers. Justice for Lakhimpur Kheri violence victims along with punishment for culprits. Compensation and government jobs for families of over 750 farmers who died during the 2021 farm law protests. The farmers are also calling for repeal of the Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, a 200-day work year under Manrega with rupees 700 daily wages linked to agriculture, penalties for fake seeds and pesticides manufacturers to ensure better quality. Beyond immediate issues, the farmers seek India's withdrawal from the WTO and free trade agreements, a national commission for spices like chili and turmeric, implementation of the fifth schedule of the Constitution to safeguard tribal rights over natural resources. One key sticking point, the National Policy Framework for Agriculture Marketing. Farmers say it reintroduces repealed farm laws through the back door. Dalewal, backed by KMM and SKMNP, has made repeated appeals to Prime Minister Modi and even reached out to the Supreme Court. Yet there's been no fresh dialogue from the centre. While the Punjab government has compensated many families of farmers who died during past protests, activists say other states lag behind.
और ये जो पंजाबियों ने आज एकता दिखाई है, जो ये भ्रमित करने के कुछ सोशल मीडिया पर न्यूज फैलाए जा रहे हैं, नेट बंद हो जाएगा जी, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। जब पंजाब वाले दिल से बंद कर रहे हैं, ये सबसे पीसफुली पुरामन ढंग से ये बंद साबित होगा आज का जो हम देख रहे हैं। और हम अपील करेंगे अपने सारे युवाओं से, किसान मजदूर, शहरों से, सबसे, कहीं पर भी कोई इस तरह की घटना नहीं होनी चाहिए, कोई हमारी किसी से तकरार हो।
As Punjab stands still, the farmers remain firm in their resolve. With their demands laid bare and their voices growing louder, the big question is, will the centre engage before the agitation escalates further? The Punjab Bandh is not just a protest, it's a fight for justice, equity, and the future of Indian agriculture.